Yes, so basically a polity का अगर सवाल है तो you include constitutional provisions, you will talk about Supreme Court judgments, statistics, reports and committees. ये value addition है. आंसर पूरा ये नहीं होगा. आंसर तो conceptual question है, conceptual आंसर लिखा जाएगा, उसी से मार्क्स आएंगे. That is the core content. लेकिन value addition, what will make your answer stand apart is you will mention constitutional provisions, relevant Supreme Court judgments, कोई statistics है, कोई report है, अगर आप quote कर सकते हो तो कर दो. Yes. Yes, few examples. We are not getting into answer writing, but just few examples. Recent acknowledgement of sex work as a profession by the Supreme Court is merely first step in ensuring basic rights and equality for sex workers in India exam. Yes, so we have just mentioned recently the Supreme Court, one of the students and one of the toppers have mentioned that recently the Supreme Court recognized sex work as a profession and brought it under article this. ठीक है, तो बस हमने वो रेलेवेंट आर्टिकल, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल आर्टिकल मेंशन कर दिया. उसके बाद सवाल कुछ और है, इंट्रोडक्शन में बस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल आर्टिकल मेंशन कर दिया. Yes, similarly, environment, with suitable examples, discuss how environment pressure groups enhance public participation and responsiveness with regard to environment policies. एक तो आप देख रहे हो ये कैसे अंडरलाइन कर रहे हैं, जो है ना, जिसने आंसर लिखा उसने अंडरलाइन किया है कीवर्ड को, तो that becomes really essential so that you keep in line with the question. कई बार नहीं तो क्वेश्चन मिस हो जाता है. Yes, pressure groups are groups of organized people formed while exercising rights under, है ना. Article 19 deals with freedom, freedom of speech and expression, freedom to organize, है ना, freedom, है ना, without arms you can come together and organize these meetings. Fine. Then discuss the role played by District Legal Services Authority in providing. So once again they have mentioned the relevant article. और इस तरह से relevant Supreme Court यहाँ पे इस बच्चे ने mention नहीं किया, नहीं तो वो जो recent Supreme Court judgment था उस judgment का नाम लिख सकते हैं, Supreme Court केस का नाम लिख सकते हैं.